We are closer and closer. Today is what, Tuesday? Wednesday. And we'll have school tomorrow because of athletics. But I spent some time with Mr. Racer last night. We got some stuff welded together. And so now we're not using any electric motors. We'll use 3 cylinders. Okay, we remade the arm. So when the arm has a cylinder, it'll do this. Open and shut. Yeah, that works. We got 2 of them. One's in Boston. So that's cylinder number 1. Gripper opens, shuts. It's got a little valve to do it slowly. Cylinder number 2 is going to be this. Instead of a motor, come on around so you can see this side. Instead of using a motor, electric motor with a belt, this bushing right here, this will turn 180 degrees. 180 degrees. So that's going to actually be welded to the piece of tubing. Will actually be welded to the bushing. And if that thing has enough torque to pick this arm up and down, they're going to weld this. So it'll go up and down. So that's cylinder number 2. So we want to start running the cables. And we want to end up with one cable sticking out to go to the pump that's already on the robot. So that's cylinder 1, 2, number 3 is going to be connected to here, and that's going to push off. It's going to push off the mini bot. The mini bot gets pushed off, it's going to ride out, hit the pipe, going up. It's going to get pushed off. This activates, goes up the pole. 30 points. First one. And we got more stuff now. We got more servo motors, so these things will be wider apart. So when we get to the pole, it misses a little bit. If we open up, it'll go up forward, hit so it touches the pole, and then take off. Because these, we had trouble. You know, you have to force it on, and that was scaring me. That bothered me. So we're going to test it before we go, and that's what Rachel's for. Rachel and Dylan Cooper is learning the programming, and so we're going to hardwire the control center, the joystick this to that, to the C-Rio. It's going to have the program in it. The program's in it, and then they're going to actually test it and make this thing go like this. Open, shut, open, shut. So which button opens and shuts? You know, I'm thinking a trigger. Open, let go, and it clicks forward. It moves up and let go. And is that a problem, Rachel? I mean, picking a button? No, it's just which one you put the thing. And the thing that Dylan was finding out last night, he's getting the big picture. He didn't understand, but now he does. That all these little slots here is all the ones the same thing on the program, on the block.
We showed him that.
I know, but he really, it all put together.
It all clicked.
It all clicked because what you see on this block diagram on the screen is whole different than when you see this and the wire. You know, it's too much too quick. So I think we're going to win. All right. So that's going to push that sucker off. Yeah. And then, so still, what's the other cylinder? Put the other cylinder up here. The one that we're going to use that has stuff on already. That's going to go somewhere like that. And that's going to connect to here. Right? Rachel? What do you think? You need Spanish badge?
Yeah.
Why? I need humanities credit.
I
do.
I need 12 of them, actually.
All right. Tell me, Cody, did you finish your little model for the bug?
No.
Why not?
Because I was too busy working on this.